What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. On today's episode, we're going to be making a classic Italian sub. One of my personal favorites, real easy to make, and doesn't take very long. So let's go ahead and get started, baby. Come on. The Zesty Italian Sub. Now this is a classic that you'll find at most of your pizza places and sub shops. It's a good one, baby. One of my favorites. Got a little salami on there, pepperoni, ham, and some peppers and onions to kind of make things spicy, baby, to liven them up. Now, usually you do this in the oven. Go ahead and assemble your sandwich, put it all together, put it in the oven for a while and kind of let everything melt together. But today we're not going to do that. We're going to be making it in the skillet, kind of like an old panini, if you will. So, the first thing we need to do is get our vegetables cut up. Then we can go ahead and put our meat in here at very, very low heat. And just put the meat together, put the vegetables on top, the cheese on the top, and kind of let everything blend. Then we can take it out, put it on the sandwich, and we'll be ready to roll. Pretty simple. But we got to get started to get it done. So let's go, Luigi. Come on, baby. Alright, Leroy Brown, we about to get in and get down. Go ahead and start cutting up your green peppers there, man. That's one of the most important parts, you see. That's why some people call it a sausage and pepper sandwich. I like to chop mine up like this, but you can do it any way you want to, baby. It's your world. I'm just a squirrel trying to get me a sub sandwich. Then, once you get your green peppers all done and looking nice, like this here, you can go ahead and move them to the side. Get started on that beautiful onion. Chop it up fine too. I'm chopping mine up like old boy from Goodfellas, man. Once your onion is done, then let's go ahead and move that to the side as well. And we can go ahead and get us some bread out of here and start slicing it up and set it to the side, because once we put this meat in, things are gonna go pretty quick. So we want everything ready to go so we can just slap things together, baby. We want to eat, don't we? Not a lot of playing around involved. Once you get your pan just a little warm, start laying down your salami. And you kind of want to make a bed out of it, if you will. You want to lay it close together and overlap. That way, when you start laying other things on the top and then seal it in with the cheese, it's all going to stay together when you go to take it out of the pan. You'll see what I'm talking about. So put the salami down first, then add some ham. Go ahead and fold your ham up like I am here. That's a little trick they do in the restaurant that I've learned. It makes it seem like there's more meat on there, but there's really not. It's just folded up so it's layered. You know what I'm talking about? Put your ham on there. Ham's looking good, baby. Once it's all in there and you got everything sitting right, you can add your pepperonis. Put them on there, boy. Don't be shy with the pepperoni. Put plenty of it on there. Then you can add your cheese. Today we're going to use some provolone cheese, but you can use any cheese you like, boy. Take those and break them in half and set them right on top. And see how everything's just kind of staying uniform like that? That's exactly what you want. Now, go ahead and add some green peppers on top. That's looking good right about there. We're going to do the same thing on all of them. Let them cook for about, 15 minutes, like I said, real low. Once everything starts melting, now we can take it out and put it on the bread. See how everything held together just like I was talking about? That's perfect. That's just what you want, baby. Got our bread ready to go, so we can flop that bad boy right down there. Yeah, that looks beautiful, don't it? But we're not done yet, buddy. We'll go ahead and add some onions on the top of that. Then we'll go ahead and add our pepperoncinis. Banana peppers, yellow peppers, whatever you want to call them. I call them little sweeties. And just a little drizzle of Italian dressing. And then it's all ready for me to have a bite. Alright, baby, the time has come. The Zesty Italian Sub is done. And I'm having the first bite for Big Daddy. Man, this looks good. This been smelling up the whole house, baby. Mm. Oh, yeah. Mm. Mamma mia. Here I go again. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe, and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on YouTube. Y'all have a good one. Peace.